Forget about all of the bad from this year, here are 25 of the best facts from 2019. 1. Sea turtles are making a huge comeback, with their populations increasing by 980%, thanks to the Endangered Species Act. 2. Holland covers hundreds of bus stops with plants' green roofs, where bees can take refuge. 3. Netherlands has achieved the goal of officially becoming the first country without stray dogs. 4. Peru has committed to ending palm oil-driven deforestation by 2021. A momentous win for wildlife and sustainable agriculture. 5. Renewable energy sources now account for around a third of all global power capacity. 6. Netherlands have built 5 artificial islands to preserve wildlife. In the first 2 years 30,000 birds and 127 kinds of plants have been reintroduced. 7. Baby African elephants will no longer be taken from the wild and sold to zoos and circuses after a near-total ban has been approved. 8. In Rome, you can now pay for metro train tickets with plastic bottles. So far more than 350,000 bottles have been recycled. 9. Sweden has rolled out a great initiative. Blood donors get a text message whenever their blood saves a life. 10. 7 eggs from the world's last 2 remaining northern white rhinos have been successfully fertilized. This may save the species. 11. An unprecedented legal victory for indigenous rights in Ecuador frees a huge swath of Amazonian rainforest from gold mining. 12. Norway has become the first country to completely zero deforestation. It was pledged in the Norwegian parliament that the government's procurement policy will be deforestation-free. 13. An amazing village in India celebrates their daughters by planting 111 trees every time a girl is born. So far they have planted more than 350,000 trees. 14. These humpback whales have come back from the brink of extinction. Thanks to conservation efforts, they've gone from a few hundred to 25,000. 15. India is now home to nearly 3,000 tigers, a third more than it had 4 years ago. The number of protected areas in the country also rose to 860 from 692. The numbers of community reserves has more than doubled too. 16. A robot called Larvalpod is delivering coral babies to the Great Barrier Reef to help restore coral reefs to what they were. 17. Thailand supermarket says no to plastic packaging and wraps produce in banana leaves. 18. Scientist in Mexico creates fake plastic from cactus juice that biodegrades in a month and is safe to ingest. 19. A 7-mile bee corridor of vibrant wildflowers is being planted to encourage the insects population in London. 20. Galapagos iguana makes return to the island almost 200 years after Charles Darwin recorded them there. 21. German circus uses hologram animals instead of real animals in an attempt to end animal cruelty. 22. An unprecedented legal victory for indigenous rights in Ecuador frees a huge swath of Amazonian rainforest from gold mining. 23. The UK has reduced its carbon emissions for the 6th year in a row. The last time emissions were this low was 1888. 24. In Lagos, Nigeria, the Recycle Pay project allows parents to cover their kids' school fees by collecting and bringing plastic waste to recyclers. 25. South Korea once recycled 2% of its food waste. Now it recycles 95% thanks to smart bins and special biodegradable bags.